We are fixing the layout issue by building a clean split screen inside CapCut PC right now. Start by dragging your first video clip directly down into the main timeline track. Once that is in place, take your second video clip and drop it on the track right above the first one. Now, click directly on that upper clip in your timeline to select it. Move your mouse up to the top right panel and click on Video, then click on Basic. Locate the opacity slider and drag it down a little bit so you can see through the second clip and catch a glimpse of the background layer. Now we need to position the video properly. Before moving anything, click the small padlock icon on the left side of the second layer track to lock it. This ensures you do not accidentally move the wrong video. Click on the main timeline track and drag the first video around the player window until it sits exactly where you want it. In my case, I want this clip on the left side. Once you finish positioning it, click that padlock icon again to unlock the second layer. The important thing is making the actual split look seamless. Click on the second layer to highlight it. Look back at the top right panel and click on Mask. From the options that appear, click on Split. You will see a line divide your screen. Move your cursor directly over the small loop symbol on that line, then left-click, hold and drag your mouse to move the split area exactly to the middle. Now, that goes both ways for positioning, so you can also rotate the line if you want an angled look. The trade-off with using a mask is that it permanently hides the cropped section of that specific layer, meaning you lose the edges of that footage to make room for the background clip. If you are happy with the split position, go back to the top right panel, click on Video, select Basic, and drag the opacity slider all the way back up to 100%. The screen is now perfectly divided between both clips. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.